In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a high-converting landing page in HubSpot. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you're equipped to craft a landing page that effectively attracts and converts your target audience. Before diving into the actual creation process, let's start with planning and preparation. First, define your goal clearly. Consider what specific action you desire from your visitors, such as signing up for a webinar, downloading an ebook, or requesting a demo. Having a clear objective will guide your design and content choices throughout the process. Next, you need to understand your audience. Know their needs, pain points, and motivations. This understanding will allow you to tailor your message, making it more compelling. When crafting your copy, focus on the benefits your product or service offers, rather than just listing its features. Make sure to highlight how it solves their specific problems. Additionally, gather all necessary assets such as images and videos beforehand so that you have everything ready for seamless integration into your landing page. Now let's move on to building the landing page within HubSpot. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account and navigate to Content, then Landing Pages. HubSpot offers a variety of pre-designed templates optimized for conversions. Choose one that aligns well with your goals and audience. Once you have selected a template, customize it to reflect your brand. This could involve adding your logo, modifying the layout, and personalizing the content to ensure it resonates with your audience. Adding a form is crucial for capturing leads. HubSpot provides tools that allow you to easily create forms with customizable fields and styling options. Make sure this form is prominently displayed and functions smoothly. With more and more users browsing on their phones, optimizing your landing page for mobile devices is essential. Ensure it looks great and functions well on all devices. Clear calls to action are vital. Use persuasive language to clearly direct what actions visitors should take. To build trust, consider incorporating social proof such as testimonials or logos of well-known clients. Additionally, optimizing for speed is crucial. Quick loading times enhance user experience and SEO. Lastly, streamline your page by removing distractions like unnecessary navigation that might pull focus away from your call to action. The process doesn't end once your landing page is live. It's essential to test and optimize continuously. Preview your page to ensure it looks and functions as intended across different devices and browsers, and then publish it. Use your various marketing channels to promote it and drive traffic. HubSpot's analytics tools are invaluable for tracking performance. Monitor key metrics like page views, form submissions, and conversion rates. To refine further, consider A/B testing different elements such as headlines or CTAs to discover what resonates best with your audience. Based on the data collected, make the necessary adjustments to optimize your landing page for even better conversions. By following these steps, you'll create high-converting landing pages in HubSpot that not only attract your audience, but expertly guide them towards taking the desired action.